everyone, this is me, Paulo, your English teacher for today. This is pronunciation of English vowel sounds.
We have three symbols for the central vowel sounds. We have A in cup, the other one is A in pot, and the last one is as in fur. These central vowel sounds are called central for two reasons. The position of our lips and the position of our tongue are different from the position we needed to sound out the front vowel sounds and the back vowel sounds. Let's talk about the lips. For the front vowel sounds, our lips are generally more spread, like sounding out E, and that is front vowel sound. While the back vowel sounds, when we sound out oo, it's generally more rounded. But for the central vowel sounds, our lips are generally more neutral. It's in between the front vowel sounds and back vowel sounds, like sounding out ah. Again, E, that's front vowel sound, oo, that back vowel sound, and that is central vowel sound.
How about the tongue? When we sound out the front vowel sound, our tongue is like moving forward. E. When we sound out the back vowel sounds, our tongue is like moving backward. Oo. Well, the central vowel sound, our tongue is more neutral, like ah. Let's now go back to the central vowel sounds, and These are the things we need to consider to make the central vowel sound
First, relax your lips and open your mouth a little. Again, Next one, keep your tongue in the middle. It comes out naturally. Keep your tongue in middle position, not high or low. And always remember that as in cup is a short sound. It can be sound out when you don't know what to say, like saying so that is how you make that sound. For examples, we have here cup, the other one is love, the, about, and thus. The sound is
I will sacrifice everything in the name of love.
Let's now move to the second symbol, and the sound of that is as in pot. These are the things we needed to consider. First, relax your lips. Open your mouth wide, different from the first central vowel sound, from and now it should be wider. Keep your tongue low and centered with the tip touching the back of your bottom front teeth. And always remember that is a long sound. It can be sound out when you realize something, like saying and that is the central vowel sound For examples, we have pot, watch, stop, and father. That's a long sound.
Let's use in a sentence. I watch the coffee pot.
And here comes the last central vowel sound, that is as in fur. These are the things we consider. First, open your mouth only a little. Round your lips slightly. Keep your tongue in a high position, but do not let it touch the roof of your mouth. Curl the teeth back and make the center rise. This is a tense position of the tongue. There is a curling and rising of the tongue. Say, er. And always remember, is a long sound. Again, let's say, Very good. For example, we have here fur, learn, bird, and her.
I am your English teacher today. Since I've only presented 3 central vowel sounds, I'm just going to use in a tongue twister. It's very well known and common tongue twister. Peter Piper. Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled pepper. A peck of pickled pepper Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled pepper, where's the peck of pickled pepper Peter Piper picked? Let's make it fast. Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled pepper. A peck of pickled pepper Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled pepper, where's the peck of pickled pepper Peter Piper picked? And that ends our lesson for today. Again, this is Minda Carpi Paulo. Thank you for watching.